recording by Tedtalks. Tedtalks, I mean, and then this is the thing that shoots the emission all around. And all that, it can do anything else you want. You have to press which button. And then this can be in the top. Pretend a great thing is here, all around. Someone climb down, it does this, and this sees you are in bear seat. Like, and these parts you know already, right? And these two moving things are the cameras. And there's cameras all in the room. And a lot of things are going on. So, and this, if it came out, this will send information to everything. And then you can see things from a door that's closed. You can see too. And this calls 911. And this, the brain can shoot emails to the police. And then the bottom is the worst thing ever. It is blocked with things, and then this, something's wrong, it can send the email to everybody, and then everybody will know, and everybody will call the police. This thing shoots out like this. This part you thought, you know? And this, the wheels, they stay like this. They'll stick to the ground. But nothing ever that. This thing is very simple, and you can turn this. And the white thing, the bow, looks like a bow. And it is the information all around the brain. Here's the brain. And it's like all around. It can move, it can be straight like this, like a diamond. And this sends the electricity all around. This really needs batteries. No batteries. It can't work from internet. Internet goes up there to inside here, and then everybody puts it here, 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 around their houses, and they have to make a lot. And these are very dangerous. Every house has it. Everybody makes it. It's powerful. And don't stay around these things. And don't be a sneaky boy or a sneaky girl. And you can't do anything with this. If you press the button, police will come. In the police station, if you go to a police station, they have it. Everybody has it in the police station. And their houses, they only put it in 5 spaces. 1 over here, 2 over there, 3 over here, 4 over here, and 5 over here. So, or 6. They put 6 or 7. And this on the door, and this over here on the bed. Or they can put it the ground over here. and then the laser beam will shoot up, and what will happen? They'll see you climbing down. And then this thing, like you can put this staple there, and this will shoot like everywhere around the carpet or everything, and top and everything room. And then if you put it here, only if you put it there. And some people put it in two, and then you cannot touch it. Just do this. And I'm going to show you. Pretend this is off. And I start to get it. And then I come in. They see me? Oh no. I've been high. This thing will see me right away. And they can follow your pants, your shirts, your eyes, and what you see. And if you see or go to people's bed, this thing will enter you to a policeman, and then policeman will go here right away, and they know what do you look like. If you have dog, people is different. If your name is the same, they'll know too, because you're different. Your eyes are different. Everything in your body is different, and you wear different clothes. If you wear the same clothes or blanket or anything else, it's okay. They still know you are the people are in. They know, because some of you have jeans, and then someone doesn't have this, and they have this. That's it. And then if they have the same shirt, they don't have this. That's it. If they don't have this, that's it. If they are short and the others are long sleeves, that's it. And then if your feet are the same size, that means, and your shoes are same, it's the same. It's the same. People see you, your clothes and everything are different, and your body is all different. And if you sneak in someone's room, sometimes people don't have alarm. No. People see you sneaking. And then the God will see you, and then the news will be on. And everybody knows, and the police will know, and then they go to see the footprints. If it's a rainy day, they will. If it's not, they will hear that boom, boom, boom. They'll hear it. And the police will come right away. If you're sleeping, how? And you're sneaking. That means police will be here right away. They'll see from the window, or they can be sneaky, or send them to jail, and everything is dressed like things, and then they have uniform to talk to everybody, and everybody come, like policemen, firefighters, ambulance, come here. And they can talk to each other. Policeman talk to policeman. Firefighter talk to firefighter. Ambulance talk to ambulance. And they will know you are sneaky in the house. Because one person is looking at your door or anything else. If that guy's sneaking, It knows. And if you are here hiding, they know too. And if you're here, they know too. And if you are in here, they know too. And then, if you are drinking, and then, someone makes a teapot, they didn't drink it, and then you see it, and then you drink it. Guess what happens? You are sick, right? And then people will know, and it's gonna be in news. Every news, every state, and every place. Everybody will know, and they'll call police and everybody else, and then police will get to the house that needs help, or firefighters, or ambulance. They are helpers. They help you. If there's a fire, what you do? Just stay low. You'll get a fire. If a police and you see a bad guy and it tries to get you, what happened? Police will save you. And guess what happens if the ambulance comes and you are hurt? The ambulance will come. And those are important things. And trash trucks too. Trash trucks do this. They put the thing, like smelly things away, and then it's too smelly that you don't like it. And it's very smelly. Like when you don't sit down. When you don't sit down. Everything will send the message around and 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 around, and then everybody will know. And it's a good thing that you do a good job. That a fire, what you do? Call the fireman. If a bad guy, call the police. If you're hurt, call the ambulance. If something's snowing, call the trash truck. And everything around you is good. Don't say like dump trucks and everything else, cars, and those are not good. That's very mean. And if it, like the camera, is looking everywhere and lasers on the ground that you can't see, and you don't see it, walk around, what happened? You are police will come. And this is a good job. You do a good thing. That's it. Thank you.